this. Alright, just doing a little bit of work on this house. This place is without power, so we can't really do much, but thankfully there's a few things here that we can do. And then we gotta go down to Niles and do some work. It's freaking windy right now. Yeah, there was some Consumers Energy trucks that were working down the road. I know once you get a little ways down the road that way, you enter Midwest Energy territory. So, yeah. Alright, we're in Niles now. It's super windy here, too. Picked a lovely day to do gutters. Am I right? Man. My brother's on the roof right now. I'm standing on the ladder. Lord, I pray that tree does not come down and take out the lines. Otherwise, I'm in a bad spot. Man. It's freaking cold, too, man. Got some twigs. Not really twigs, but stuff all over the ground. Yeah. Well, the sun's coming out at least. The air temperature went up a little bit. Still windy. Clouds have moved on that way.